Hello again. I'm going to show you a really yummy snack if you like nuts and seeds. This is one of my favorite that I created many years ago, and I call it Seed Snack Attack. So it's better to have this kind of a snack attack than the sugary kind. So it's made of pumpkin seeds or pepitas. It's made of sunflower seeds and just a little bit of dried raisins for the sweetness. And we season it with a soy sauce called tamari, which is a wheat-free brand of soy sauce. Have a skillet heated here that is totally dry. It doesn't have any oil in it. You don't need it. I've already toasted the sunflower seeds. You can see that you just keep stirring them until they're brown. I wanted to show you the pumpkin seeds toasting though, because they're kind of fun. Just shake it, get it even in the pan, and you're going to have to stand here and tend to it. Regulate the heat underneath. You don't want it so high that they burn, of course. But what's fun about pumpkin seeds when you're toasting them is that they start to puff up a little bit. And then, I have no idea if you're going to be able to hear this. Oh, maybe with my microphone. They start to pop. Tiny little popping sounds. The first time I heard this, I was working at the granary, which doesn't exist anymore here in town. And I was in the cafe part, in the deli. And I'm like, who is popping their, who's cracking their knuckles? That's disgusting. It was so loud, and it was somebody toasting pumpkin seeds, and they pop. Come on. Show the audience that you're popping if you can. I don't know if you're close enough to see a little bit of movement here. There they go. Just sort of a fun activity if you have kids. Let them watch this happen. And it doesn't take long, like I said. You don't need them all to get completely evenly brown. Just enough of them. And I'm going to say that that is enough. Pour it into a large bowl along with the sunflower seeds. Now, the deal is these seeds are warm from the pan. When you put the raisins in right away, raisins, dried, obviously, but when you put the raisins in with the warm seeds, then they actually reconstitute a little bit, as in they soften and plump up just a little bit, which is lovely. And then, like I said, the seasoning is a soy sauce. And I have to go shopping. I'm right at the end. But this is a Sanjay Tamari, wheat-free. It's a low sodium. About a cup worth of seeds total. We'll only get a teaspoon or two of soy sauce. So it's not very salty, and certainly start with a teaspoon and then add more if that's, oh, you know what? There it goes. Put it on my shopping list, please. There you go. Toss, toss. So if anyone has experienced the flavor of a sweet and a salty together, you know, they're in ice creams now. They're in a lot of desserts and bars. It's very appealing. So that's what you get with the soy sauce and the raisins, and then the really satisfying crunch of the pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. So nuts and seeds is kind of like the perfect package. It is a carbohydrate, it is healthy fat, and it is protein. So knowing that that's a beautifully well-rounded snack for you to have, but still, as with all snacks, in moderation. I also like this combination on a salad or sprinkled on some rice, some brown, whole grain brown rice or quinoa. Wonderful mixed in. So try this recipe. I'll have it available for you. Happy snacking. See you next time.